Today on this video I'm gonna show you a small kitchen reno that made a very small kitchen to become functional, beautiful, open without being any bigger. Hello guys, for those of you that are new here, my name is Aline. I am a designer and this is my channel, and this is where I share some of our projects, some of our design ideas with you. For those of you that are not new here, thanks for being so patient. I haven't been able to post any video for over 2 months now. Sorry for not being present. Life is just getting in the way and I'm just not finding enough time to record new videos. But thank you to all of you for watching this video and for supporting my channel. Now back to the video. Sometimes in life we make some life decisions that are very based on our current life situation. So a good example of that is when we buy a home that fits our life perfectly, but then we find out a few years later that that house doesn't fit our needs anymore. This is exactly the life situation that our clients were going through when they came to us. They bought this house before they had kids. It was a very old house from the 60s, but the lot was huge. They really liked the backyard. They had a really good connection with the neighbors. They loved the neighborhood, but then they had kids. And of course, eventually the house became too small for them and they wanted to have more kids, and the house was just not functional. They didn't have enough space. The house was just too small. The kitchen was not functional at all. The basement was not finished. It was cold, but they loved the location and the neighborhood. They created a deep connection with the neighborhood and with the home itself. So they asked us to redesign the home. So we didn't knock a bunch of walls. We had to keep the footprint the same, but we found ways to make their house more functional for them. And today on this video, I'm gonna show the kitchen renovation that we did for these clients. We redesigned the kitchen completely, giving them a lot of storage space, making the kitchen very functional, improving the flow, but without increasing the footprint and the size of the kitchen. So let's take a look at the as-built floor plan before they actually did the renovation. Okay, so this is the floor plan before they started the renovation. So here is the front entry of the home. The living room is right here. Master bedroom on this side, small bedroom on that side, a small bathroom here that would serve everyone, just one bathroom, and we actually added a second bathroom in the basement as well. And this is the kitchen. There is a back door right here. The garage was at the back, so they would come from the garage and just get in the home using the back door. The kitchen, as you can see, it was extremely small. So initially they had a small round table on this corner, right there. The fridge was right here, completely out of place. It felt like it was just dropped there. There was no thinking behind that. The range was on this wall, and here we had the sink and the dishwasher on this side right there. So they did not like the flow of the kitchen. Everything was really crowded. The fridge being right here, it felt that they didn't have enough space. They just had to walk around the fridge and then go to the back door. We had this chase right here that we couldn't do anything with that. It was a chase for a furnace duct, and right there was a pantry, small pantry. So the main idea was to make this kitchen more functional and give them a better flow, a better circulation. So potentially getting rid of the fridge and moving to another wall, increasing the amount of countertop space that they had. So these were just some of the things that they asked for. Now let's take a look what we did with this very small kitchen. The idea was to use this wall and that entire wall as kitchen. Here, right here, we're gonna have a table. It's gonna be a custom-made table, so they can have their dinner, snacks, everything in the kitchen. So first of all, this wall used to come all the way over to here. So they used to have a pantry on this corner. We removed that pantry. We wanted to remove this completely. However, there is an angle here at the bottom for the staircase. I don't know if you guys can see. So that's actually the angle just in that cabinetry. So to hide that angle and make this look nicer, we just created this deep cabinet here. So another storage that they didn't have before. So the first thing we did, we actually moved the fridge to this corner. The dishwasher is here now. It used to stay on this side at the end of the counter. This dishwasher is actually not new. This is what they had before. It's apartment size dishwasher. It's only 19 inches wide. A regular one is usually 24 inches. So we placed that there. We have lots of cupboard space here. And then right here, centered on this window, we have this beautiful wide farm sink. This is actually a farm sink that the clients already had. So we are just reusing it. This is from IKEA. They don't carry this farm sink anymore, and that's why the clients were so adamant about using this because they really love it. It's huge. It serves them well. It's in a really good condition. So we are reusing this. On this side, we have some drawers. Here, the new range with a nice wood fan. We have big drawers here for pots and pans. More cabinetry on this side, some doors. And now their new pantry is on this corner. So we moved the pantry to this corner here. And they have way more storage space than they used to have before. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you like this video. I hope you like the ideas that we came up for this kitchen. And if you like my content, please like this video, as this will tell YouTube that people are actually seeing and liking my content. So that helps us grow. And if you haven't done yet, please consider subscribing. Thank you and see you next time. Bye bye.